Hi everyone, this is Imran. Today in this video training, I'll show you how you can add compare feature in your WooCommerce store. Well, here I'm on a shop page and you can see after each product on the bottom compare button. If I click on it and it will be added here on the sidebar and again click to another product. Here you can see the list of the product I have added to the compare list. And if I click over there and it shows a pop-up window where the potential customer of your store can see and compare the similar group of products. That really helps the potential customers to take a decision. You can even add this feature in the single product page, and when the visitor click on the button again, they can see the comparison pop up. So this feature will just boost the conversion rates of your e-commerce store. Okay, watch this video till the end and learn how we can do that. So let's get to be started. Here I'm on the dashboard of my WordPress website. I'm going to install a plugin now. I'm going to navigate to plugins and click on add new. Here goes the plugin search box. I'm going to search for compare. And here is the expected plugin, WooCommerce Compare by ETH. And I'm going to click over here on this install now button. And click activate. Here you can see WooCommerce Compare plugin is installed and activated. At the same time, here you can see a new menu, Compare. Okay, if I click over here on Compare, here goes the setting options that comes with WooCommerce Compare plugin. Okay, the first of all, here you can see general settings. Under general, the first option is link or button. What would you like to show in the product area? Button or link? Here you can see a button. Okay, I'm going to choose button and the text will be compare and show button in single product. As I showed earlier, in the single page you can also add this compare button. You can also add this compare button in the product list page. And I unchecked this because it will instantly trigger the pop-up. And here goes the table setting. The table that here it is. That settings related to this table. Okay, so which field would you like to display on the table? Image, title, price, add to cart, description, SKU. I selected all of these fields, but if you don't like to display, what should I say, SKU, you can uncheck it and repeat the price field at the end of the table. Okay, I'm going to show it again. Here you can see this is the price and the price is repeated again in the bottom. If you would like to show the price in the bottom also, you can check it or you just uncheck it and repeat add to cart field. Okay, if this is a long form, you can add to the cart field again. Okay, and image size, you can decide or set the image size of this comparison table. Okay, and finally, if you are happy with the settings, you can click this button, save options. Now let's see our product page. I'm going to hover over here. You can see visit a store. Just click store. And here goes it. And you can see the compare button now. If I click over there, you can see edit. And here you can see compare. And like the demo, we don't see this list on the right sidebar. We don't see here. Okay, but still we can see the pop-up product comparison. Just click on the button again and it will show up the comparison, but it's not user friendly. So we are going to add here the product comparison section. Just come over here, appearance, and hover over it, and you will see widgets. Just click on widgets, and here goes the WooCommerce sidebar widgets area, and we will just add the widget here. If I scroll down here, you can see it WooCommerce widget, and I'm going to select the area. Just click on it, WooCommerce sidebar, and click this button, add widget. I'm going to just drag and drop it to the first position. Now if I reload this page, here you can see, but I missed the title. Again, I'm going to get to the widgets, and here is the title. I'm going to type product compare, hit save. Now again, I'm going to reload this page, and now see the title, and here goes the compare button. If I click on it, it shows up here, and if I don't like to keep it this item, just click on remove, it will be removed. Okay, now from here the potential customer can go to the cart page. If they click it, just view cart, they will be sent to the cart page. And again, if I click on this product title, and on the single page here you can see compare button. If they click on it again, they will see the comparison pop up. Okay friends, I believe after watching this video you could add this feature in your WooCommerce based e-commerce website. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get more WordPress and web design and development related videos. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again in a new video.